Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about kitchen decor ideas. Unleash your kitchen's potential with captivating decoration that will elevate your space. From captivating gold accents to cozy textures, discover the secrets to creating a stunning culinary sanctuary. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a masterpiece with these inspiring kitchen decor ideas. Fortunately, there are many kitchen decor ideas and trends that can help you achieve this. So, let's get started. When it comes to your kitchen, don't forget to add some gilded glam. Incorporating gold kitchen decor is an excellent option for those seeking a dramatic kitchen before and after with a touch of glamour and sophistication. Gold accents can instantly elevate the space by providing a subtle yet effective contrast that works particularly well in minimalist or moody setups. Think gold finishes on cabinet handles and faucets, various bold golden kitchen island decor ideas, or even a gold-plated wire bar stool. It's important to add some patterns and textures for some warmth. A kitchen is often a space of hard surfaces and materials, but why not incorporate some softer accents for welcoming appeal? Opt for bold colors or a unique pattern to really make any textile pop. In addition, mixing and matching textures can help create a cozy space. The latter can go a long way in adding warmth and interest to neutral, modern farmhouse kitchen decor. Elevate your kitchen with ceramic chic elements. Consider using your china as decoration, just like our grannies did, but with a modern twist. Beyond function, such pieces are a powerful style tool to add color and character to your space. Display your favorite mugs on a mug rack, install a dedicated display cabinet, or fill a few coordinating bowls with fresh fruit and snacks for a lively centerpiece. Don't forget about wall decor for the kitchen. Hang unused decorative plates to create a statement piece of art and complete the look. Install a striking backsplash into your kitchen. Revamp your kitchen decor and make it pop with an accent backsplash. It's relatively affordable and easy way to update the look of your kitchen while adding a stunning wow factor at the same time. It can be a mural, an intricate tile combination, or an elaborate mosaic. You can also go with a vibrant peel and stick design for temporary effect if you don't feel ready to commit. Go for captivating light fixtures for your kitchen. Modern kitchen decor ideas are all about creating a particular atmosphere. One way to add character to your contemporary or minimal kitchen is by using interesting lighting fixtures. Not only do they add a stylish touch to the overall decor, but they can also be great conversation starters. From vintage lanterns to modern LED lighting, there are countless ways to make an impression when entertaining around the stove. Antique elements will add a chic flair to your space. When it comes to the best kitchen decor ideas, a touch of timeless elegance is often welcome. If that is your flair, incorporate antique elements to bring a sense of classic charm. It could be a vintage chandelier, rustic wooden wall decor to the kitchen, or antique brass hardware on cabinets. You could even go one step further and employ an old refurbished dining table as a kitchen island. Mix and match different elements to find the right balance that works for your style. Another simple yet effective way to update your kitchen is by changing out your cabinet hardware. By replacing the handles or knobs with something new and eye-catching, you can completely transform the character of your kitchen. Even better, this method is also affordable and requires no professional installation, while the design options are virtually endless. Kitchen island decor ideas offer an easy way to update the look of your entire kitchen. Discounts double in open concept living areas. Sculptures, cookbooks, or chic vases filled with flowers are just a few of the endless kitchen countertop decor options to choose from. Alternatively, consider incorporating decorative trays filled with fruit, candles, or other decorative objects that would make your kitchen island the focal point of the room. Opt for small and stylish functional accessories to complete the look of your kitchen. If you want to create a cohesive flair throughout the kitchen, invest in appliances and kitchen utensils that match its overall style. Consider shapes, materials, colors, and finishes to ensure the elements complement each other perfectly. By investing in high-quality kitchen essentials, you can rest assured that your kitchen will also be functional and enjoyable for years to come. Don't forget to add an artistic focal point to your kitchen. Even a single but well-chosen piece of art can completely transform the vibe and make the space feel brand new. Although rarely seen as a display opportunity, the kitchen is no exception to the rule. In fact, modern kitchen decor ideas thrive on unique wall art, mainly due to its space's rising popularity as a friends and family entertainment hub. Look around to find the ideal placement for a large sculpture, painting, or tapestry. You'll soon discover the possibilities are broad. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.